From the people that brought you Duet comes over-the-counter Fidget Cube. Fidget Cube is a vinyl desk toy designed to satisfy any urges to click, roll, spin, and other common fidgety impulses without driving your colleagues and loved ones away. Fidget Cube is a cube that you fidget with. Studies have suggested that fidgeting increases focus and improves productivity. Side effects may include a sudden ability to cope with boring meetings, pay attention in class, power through Netflix marathons. Fidget Cube is designed to allow discreet fidgeting in any setting. Do not use Fidget Cube if you have an aversion to rectangular prisms.
Fidget Cube lets me satisfy my fidgeting without endlessly annoying those around me. I thought I could stop at any time, and now I realize I don't want to. The Fidget Cube, of course, has 6 sides.
Introducing the Fidget Flipper. A simple design, yet a highly effective tool to help you with your fidgeting habits. You can pop it like bubble wrap. You can roll it like blue tack. You can click it like a switch. Or you can flick it like a spring. The Fidget Flipper can also be adapted to use without a pen altogether. It will help you discreetly keep your hands busy in those long, stressful meetings. Allowing children to fidget has shown signs of improving engagement in class. It will also help boost your concentration, perhaps when you're writing your next musical hit. The beauty of the Fidget Flipper is that it can easily slide onto any of your favorite pens. It will always be there when you need it, and out of the way when you don't. The Fidget Flipper, the simple solution for all your fidgeting habits. Anytime, anywhere.
So why did we create the Fidgy pen? Research has shown that when we're experiencing anxiety or boredom, fidgeting is the body's natural mechanism to help us stay focused, present, and in the moment. So the reason we created these fidgeting features embedded inside of the pen is that so people could fidget more discreetly. You know, there's a lot of other fidget toys out there, but the problem is they're too large and they're too distracting to others. That's why we believe that fidgeting is for anyone who wants to stay focused, relaxed, and have fun in the process. Also, research has shown that people with ADD, ADHD, and autism can greatly benefit from fidgeting. We believe that habits such as nail biting, leg shaking, and finger tapping can be channeled into the Fidgy pen to help people stay cool, calm, and collected.
Thank you for supporting us.
Share this campaign on social media and we'll give you 2 free ink refills.
Welcome to the Fidgy family.